we refer to him as Dakshinamurti Swamigal. Revered musician, and he used to compose more in Malayalam than in Tamil. Tamil were very few. One such song is this, divine song I would call it. And when the divine intervention happens, the composer thinks of a singer, and that makes all the difference in a particular song. This is one such song. Swamigal invited, called SP Balu to render the song. Rest we all say what happened was magical. Let's enjoy the song. Nanda Yennila Nanda Niyen Nila Nayagan Madil Kanbadam Sugame Nanam Yenova Viji Minadum Viji Mori Tenadum Mori Kural Puadum Kural Yeril Niadum Yeril Minivarum Silayin Mohana Kalaye Vanna Oliye Vanavaramude Aasai Nenjil Deivam Niye Aadi Nirkum Deevam Niye Pesuginra Veenai Niye Kaniyidhal Amudinai Vazhangida Aruginil Va Nanda Niyen Nila Nayagan Madil Kanbadum Sugame Nanam Yeno Va. Listen to the interlude. ஆயிரம் மின்னல் ஓர் உருவாகி ஆயிழையாக வந்தவள் நீயே அகத்தியன் போற்றும் அருந்தமிழ் நீயே அருந்ததி போலே பிறந்து வந்தாயே நந்தா நீயன் நிலா நாயகன் மடியில் காண்பதும் சுகமே நாணம் ஏனோ. This is set in a beautiful Carnatic raga. Pallavi is longer than the Charanam. ஆகமும் கண்ட சீதையும் இன்று ராகவன் நான் என்று திரும்பி வந்தாளோ மேகத்திலாடும் ஊர்வசியந்தன் சோகத்திலாட இறங்கி வந்தாளோ நந்தா நீயன் நிலா நாயகன் மடியில் காண்பதும் சுகமே நாணம் ஏனோ வா. Wow, so blessed to render such kind of songs. Legends, they were all legends. That's why, and also divinity. That's how they were able to create such wonderful songs. And rendition by SP Balu. Wow. Salutes. Thanks for listening. God bless you. Love you all. Thank you.